So what are we going to talk about right now? We're going to talk about color wheel theory, the importance of color wheel in fashion, and we're going to go over those color wheel concepts right now. One of the things that we want to do is understand that color wheel theory is used in fashion primarily to do a few things. One is to choose fabric types, right? Then organize colors and understand their color relationships. It can also determine clothing sizing as well. Color has a big impact on surface area. So you can make clothing choices and sizing and percentaging an outfit according to its color dimension and color impact. And they also use it in the fashion industry to design patterns. So really important to do that. Just like artists create beautiful landscape drawings using color theory, you can use it for patterns as well. And that's what the fashion industry actually does do. I think from my point of view, I found that using these concepts was extremely beneficial for me in my own career. I found that as soon as I learned about color theory and the color wheel, I started to look at color theory providing a foundation for understanding color relationships. And it really helped me tremendously in color selection for pulling together outfits, for makeup choices, for fashion buys. And then by using the principles of the actual color wheel, you can create visually appealing color combinations out of very little that you have in a wardrobe. So you don't have to have a lot of money to look really, really great. What you need to know is how to put pieces together so that they look fantastic, even with a smaller wardrobe. And then the other thing that I found was that I actually communicate with myself through color. I like brighter colors, but they have to be muted. So they make me feel better. But I do like to communicate who I am through color. I will wear yellows and brighter blues and these vibrant reds. So I communicate that I am a powerful, impactful, confident person through my color choices. Drives me absolutely bananas when I walk around. Funnily, if I'm wearing gray today, but it makes me absolutely bananas when I walk through a city like London where I see nothing but gray and black and brown. Brown is a color there, and it drives me crazy because just a little pop of color just goes a long way. And then when you're walking down the street and you see somebody in a fuchsia coat or a red coat or just something, even a winter white, it just looks so commanding and powerful and so different. So if you want to command attention, if you want to be impactful, if you want to be influential, color is certainly a tool that you can use. I do think that what you need to do is understand that with color wheel theory, clients will go, oh, I'm cool, so I can't wear warm colors. Yes, you can. If you wear them as complementary colors and you use the impact and the percentage of the whole outfit in a smaller percentage. So it's very important that we start with that, especially when we're looking at our first color theory combinations and concepts, which are the complementary ones. Color choices have to be done in the seasonal palette, like we said, and this is where you really come into play. So make sure you first start off with adjudicating or figuring out what the client's seasonal color palette is.